Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you an eye makeup tutorial using the Vichy Premium Quality 7 Pieces Essentials Eye Makeup Brush Set. Wow. So yeah, this is the pouch the brush set comes in. It's a nice pouch, quite spacious also, and it comes with like a card that tells you like there's a note about the brand and on the back of it you have all the names of all the brushes and also the details on how you can use the brush, which I think is very nice because if you're a beginner and you don't know much about like what is the purpose of which brush, you can use it. Also the inside of it is very nice and luxurious, and these are the 7 brushes that come in the set, and I'm going to take you through them one by one. And yeah, these are the 7 brushes. Let's begin with the first one. The first one is the firm shader brush. I use it to smoke out any liner or smoke out the lower lash line. You can apply pressed pigments with this brush. Absolutely love this one. The second one is your lid shader brush. This is a very nice brush. I like the consistency, like the thickness of this brush, and it lays the eyeshadow on the lid very nicely. And the third brush is the Vichy. This is the fluffy blending brush, perfect for crease and transition areas when you want to smoke out and smooth out the eyeshadow. This is a very unique brush. I really like this. This is a pointed blending brush. You'll see in the video also how it perfectly blends the color in the crease. So the next brush is the precision pencil brush. I use this brush for like smoking out the lower lash line, applying the color on the inner corner. I have multiple ways I use this brush. Really love this pencil brush from Vichy. And the next brush we have is the eyeliner brush. As you can see, it is tapered on the top. Again, it's like really pointy, so it's very easy to create wing from this brush. Love, love, love this brush as well. And the last brush we have is a dual-ended eyebrow brush. I use this brush also sometimes for applying eyeliner as well. It's very nice and thin and precise. It has a spoolie on one end. So yeah, now let's begin with the eye makeup tutorial. So first off, I'm using the 07 brush. With the spoolie side, I'm just going to tame down the hair, and then from the other end, I'm going to use the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade to kind of fill in my eyebrows. This brush works wonderfully well for that. As you can see here, it's thin enough so I can get hair-like strokes from it. Next, I'm using the fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to lay down the product first, like the eyeshadow first, and then using the tip of the brush, I'm just going to soften the edges. So it's good for like crease area and transition areas. This fluffy brush is good enough for that. And then for a more precise crease work, you have the 04 blending brush. That is what I'm using here to apply like a darker brown eyeshadow. So I'm just going to apply the eyeshadow first, and then using the tip of the brush, I'm just going to softly blend the color into the transition color. And I'm just going to cut my crease just for the eye makeup look that I'm going for. And once that is done, I'm going to use the shader brush to apply this matte eyeshadow. So I'm just going to pick up the color on the brush, and I'm just going to pat it down on the like area that I did the cut crease on. So I'm just going to do that on both the eyes. It's going to place the color. So this is a matte color that I have on. And then I'm going to use the Vichy 05 brush to kind of blend both the colors, the lid color and the outer crease color. I'm just going to use that brush. And then I'm using the smudger brush. This is the 01 brush. I'm going to use the dark brown eyeshadow to kind of, create like a smoky brown, smoky liner. And then again going back with the 05 brush on the lower lash line, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. So you can see how various ways you can use this brush. Again with the smudger brush, I'm going to apply the dark brown eyeshadow closer to the lower lash line. So this way you get a nice ombre on the lower lash line. Just cleaned up the brush a little bit. I wet it, and I'm just applying a metallic eyeshadow on just the outer part of the lid. Now I'm using the eyeliner brush to create a small wing. I'm not going to go all out with like a winged look here, winged eyeliner here. And on the lower lash line also I use the same eyeliner brush, and then I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line eyeliner with the smudger brush. So here I'm just smoking out the black eyeliner on the lower lash line. Fairly easy to do with this brush. Now I'm using the Vichy eyelash curler. I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara, and then I'm going to top it off with a Vichy eye false eyelashes. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to apply the Kiko Milano Unforgettable Mascara, and then I'm just placing the false eyelashes, and I'm making secure that it's like I'm making sure it's secure in the inner corner and the outer corner as well. So this is the look that I came up with. You can see the brush works beautifully. All the eyeshadows are nicely blended into each other. I hope you all enjoy this video. The link for the brushes will be down below, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me.